Oh my god. Yo, what's good, people? It's your boy Ari Petro, UK's biggest hypebeast, and we are out here in LA, and this video is going to be a very, very special video because I've seen so many people on Instagram like dip dyeing their white Nike Prestos, and I seen one guy do it. His name was Size 10, so shout out to him. Sorry. Like he didn't do that on purpose.
I didn't.
I remember Sean Weatherspoon just dip dyed a regular pair of white Prestos like a year ago. I seen it in a vlog or something. He made them like a pinkish color, and I always wanted to do it. And then this happened to my white Prestos. They basically became yellow. I cleaned them, they got more destroyed, more yellowy. I had them way early, so I beat them up just because I was always wearing them, and I eventually beat them up. But now I bought a fresh pair on release. They're waiting for me back home in the UK, so why not dip dye my first pair red?
Wait, can you wear this shirt while we do it?
Why?
Because I want you to wear this shirt while
What
we
is
do it. Okay, you know the Supreme thing comes out tomorrow, but I got an early leak. Ready? I got an early leak for you guys. Authentic. Authentic.
Okay, so first step with dip dyeing, I need to get a boiling hot water, put it in this bowl. Where's the bowl? Put boiling hot water in this bowl. So we're gonna boil a kettle right now. Please do not. Oh. There we go. Now we're gonna wait for the boiling water so we can fill up the bowl. Then we got the dip dye. Where's it at?
Right here.
Then we're gonna put the dip dye in the bowl with the boiling water, and we should be good to go.
What vibe?
Okay, so first of all, I need to undo the laces and pull all the laces out. I've been rocking the blue and the orange, so I'm gonna undo these right now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wipe the soles real quick and the side of it just to clean it up a little bit. Okay, so now that's some of the dirt gone off the soles. The laces are out. Now I'm actually gonna try and clean the fabric first before dip dyeing the fabric. So can you please pour that into there? Thank you so much. Some on the brush, dip dye, oosh, not dip dye. Sorry. You do this one, I'm gonna do this one. Let's get cleaning real quick. In circular motions, huh?
Circular motions, yeah. Too much about anything else. Just leave it in there for like 2 minutes.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure Qias did a much better. Was this your one?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure Qias did a much better cleaning job on his side of the shoe. Mine's still a bit yellowy, but it doesn't really matter because they are gonna go pink at the end of the day. Then I've put the dirty laces in this bowl to try and get them like an icy white. Now what we need to do is get the boiling water, bowl, boiling water. Oh my god, bro.
What a vibe.
Alright, so here is the dye. We are very close to either ruining my off-white Prestos or making them swag. So I'm not really sure how much we should put in here, to be honest, but...
Read the instructions.
Just dip the whole thing.
Oh my god, Ari. Oh my god, that is the... We have to stir it, right?
I don't know. I think you have to put a bit of like fairy liquid soap, like...
Soap?
Dish soap. Yeah, I watched the tutorial.
Just a little bit, that's it. Oh my god, Ari.
Stir it up.
Wait, hey, Ari, add a little bit more.
No, because I want them to go like a pinkish rather than a red. Okay, before we actually dye the shoe, I'm gonna try and tape up the sole as best as I can because I don't want the sole to be like a pinkish. Otherwise that would just look whack. But if that happens, it happens. But we're gonna try and do our best.
You gotta do it small pieces at a time and overlay it.
I already know this is gonna end up in a bad way. Okay guys, I've taped up the bottom of the shoes because I don't really want that bit to go pinkish red. It probably is, the tape's probably gonna fall off. It wasn't that sticky at all. So, fam, is this like, are we ready to go at this point? I really think we are. So guys, subscribe right now. Drop a like on this video because I'm about to ruin or make my off-white Prestos look cooler because I paid $2,000 for these, by the way, just before I
Did you really?
I swear. I had them 3 months early and I paid $2,000 for these. So, I'm so scared. I'm so
Who's the tip? Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh my
Yo, but
god.
no, honestly, this is the color I want it to go.
That is
Alright,
right.
go,
Once
just
it
dip it
dries
all
off.
in. Dip it
This
all
is
in.
the color I want it to go.
Oh wait, you're not wearing the gloves. Put the
my
glove on.
What's gonna happen to
Your
me?
fingertips are gonna turn colors.
Okay, gloves,
Where's the
quick.
glove? Where's the glove?
Bruh, they were here.
They were right here.
Yo, these kind of look sick. No joke. This is actually the color I wanted it to go. This bowl's a bit small. I don't want to keep dipping the front. Oh my
Here.
god. Where? I keep dipping the front end. Oh my god, bro.
Wow, it actually looks sick.
I'm gonna put these latex gloves on.
Bend over.
Should I dip dye the
Oh
AP?
shit, it wasn't.
my
It
God.
was.
The tape's coming off, and we're just gonna dip the bottom in. Oh my god.
I think you should just take the rest of the tape off because some spots will be different color than the rest of the shoe, you know?
Yeah, you might be right. Oh my god. Yo, I think that's it though. That looks hard.
I say
Yo.
do a little bit more of this of the center. Like bend it.
This bit, right?
Yeah, bend it.
Oh, that looks like a bad
There
idea.
you go.
There you
Take it out, take it
That was
out.
good, that was good.
Oh my god.
Yo, this is hot.
This,
Do you
yeah.
have to rinse it off now?
Yeah. Then you just have to like let it dry. Yo, I like these honestly. Squeeze the foam.
Oh, yeah.
Squeeze the foam bit out. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, squeeze it, squeeze it.
Try to squeeze the whole shoe.
Ah, yeah. Alright, that's good. Yeah, let's.
That
I like.
actually
I
looks
like how this tick is still white. I'm gonna try and make this sole as white as I can. So I'm just trying to clean the bottom bit. It's not really working, to be honest. It's still gone pink because I kind of initially wanted the bottom bit to still be white, the laces to still be white, and then just the fabric to be like pinkish red. But that looks kind of good. Okay, next shoe. All right, here we go. Shoe number 2, round 2. Can we Snapchat this? Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I think, fam,
Just leave it in there, yeah. Just leave it.
side bit in. Oh my god. Ah, that's hot. That's so hot.
Let's do what we did with the other shoe, how we bent it in there.
Ah! There we go. The
Here,
hole.
let me do the front again.
Oh.
Yeah, like that. Just go inch by inch.
Pull the tape off. The
Dude,
tape.
honestly, I think it came out really good.
Me too. I like
And
it.
the midsole doesn't even look that pink. It's like more of a white.
I like it. Let's take this off.
My man's still dipping it in.
Okay, here we go. I think this is a success, honestly. I'm gonna just quickly clean the sole again like I did with the other one.
Dude, that looks sick.
It does, right? Honestly, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. They're not finished yet. When they are finished, I look so ridiculous with this glove on right now. I still have to put the laces in and I still have to put the tag on. I think they will actually look sick after I finish both doing those two. But these laces need to dry real quick. These laces are actually kind of icy white now, to be honest. I'm actually happy with the color, so I'm not gonna rinse them off with like normal water and soap. The laces have gone a nice icy white, but if I put them in right now, I think the laces will start going pink because this is still like covered in dye, still wet. So I'm gonna try and let these dry, let the laces dry, then we're gonna put the laces on the shoe, put the tag on the shoe, and then you guys can vote if they're trash or fire. What do you think?
I think they came out fire, to be honest.
Chris,
with you.
what do you think?
They're whatever to me.
Oh my. Anyways, I'll see you in 2 seconds when everything's dry and we're gonna sort out the shoe for the final product. You dig? Okay, so as my Prestos are drying, Qias is now about to distress his Levi Jordan. So make sure you go to his channel if for some reason, somehow, you don't know who my man is. Obviously you do. Go and check out his video where my man's distressing his Levi Jordans. And then we're gonna flash back when my Prestos are dry. Papa Q?
We're about to go ham. You ready, fam?
It's about to be lit. Alright people, so it's been about 24 hours since I first dip dyed these off-whites, and this is pretty much the outcome. I've got the shoelaces in here and the off-white tag, so all I need to do now to finish these off is lace them up. So I'm gonna lace them up real quick and I'll see you in a sec. This is the final product, the dip dyed off-white Prestos. I'm actually so happy with them. I'm gonna put a little poll thing, the little eye icon. You can either vote, are they dope or are they trash? Let me know, comment down below as well. And maybe I might do this again. If this video does really well, I might buy another pair of these and do another cut. Why? I'm trying to do my outro. Guys, one last thing before we go. I'm gonna put these on feet real quick. Hit the B-roll, fam. throw those away now. Pass me then.
So way better. In
Goodbye. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe right now. Join the Giza Army. Drop a like on this video. Follow me on Instagram at Ari Petra. I'm going to try and post a fit pic with these. Try and post a really cool on feet picture. LA vibes. Peace out, baby.